Hello. Hi. We're all having lunch. Well, two of us are. Felly. I'd say hi, Felly.
Yo.
Yo. And me. And I have my chips. And I have my drink.
Oh, hang on.
Have my drink. She has her McDonald's, man. And Clyde's there. And Clyde's the official peddler of us because we got our boats tied together. And he's steering us into safety so we don't crash, sink, and drown. Right? Right, Philly? And we've got all our goodies here and we're just relaxing. Our boats are tied to the side. And that's it. So everybody say bye.
Sunny day.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Next time, sign off.